Hello everyone, welcome. Today in Southern Illinois, we are having a very bad snowstorm. We have like a foot of snow on the ground and it's still going to be coming down for hours. So, needless to say, I will not be leaving the house again. So what I've got planned is, I'm in here in the living room and there's not a lot that I'm going to do, but I'm going to be pulling down, like I have some winter florals here and some green things out on the couch, and I'm wanting to take those down and put my mustard yellows back out and all of that. So I guess we're going to do that today, and I hope you'll stick around and let's see how we can change things up. All right, I absolutely love these florals that are in this crock this year. They turned out so pretty. Okay, so had to stop and go take Desi out, but let's go ahead and take these down. And look how pretty. I don't know if you can see, but those are just so pretty. All right, I want to just wipe this off real quick. Okay, what I'm going to be putting in here is a mixture of what I call like non-seasonal. I'm going to start with these, and I've had them for years. More than likely they came from Hobby Lobby. So let's start with putting those in there. I absolutely love for this to have height. That's why I like the twigs. I may have to put some Kroger sacks in here to help hold that up though. I'll have to see. Maybe when I get all these other ones in. That's what I liked about those sticks. They were going up so high. And so yeah. All right, let's pull these back out and try to stick some of these down in here just to help give those something to sit on. Oh my gosh, didn't think that one was coming back out. So that's working a little bit better. I may have to put some in front also. Okay, so these are the next ones I'm going to be adding in. I have no idea where these came. I got these from my mother-in-law years ago. So we're going to add those in. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I know that that glare in the window is terrible. So, all right, let me see. I think it needs a little bit more going on over here. I may have to move that one, this one. Let's see first. If my whole yard wasn't covered in snow and ice, I could go outside and get some sticks and do that height thing that the other one had going on. So, and yes, I like for it to just to have a crazy, like sticking out all over type look to it. A messy look, I guess. Let me see. Let's stand back and look. It's getting better. Let's see. I'm not used to doing things in front of a camera. I'm trying to work on that and share with you guys what I do, but I'm not used to it. I'm used to just playing around and it taking a while. to getting things the way I like them. Okay, I think that's how I'm going to leave it for right now. I may end up tweaking it some, but for right now, I think that looks pretty. I hope you guys can see it. I've got my phone on a big tripod. That's why it's shaking around a little bit. But I love the look of the sparse branches and all that. That's so pretty. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is, okay, so I have all these greens still on my couch from Christmas and all that. So I am going to be taking that off and putting my mustard on there. All right, I was picking some stuff up off that table over there, and so I want to give a shout out to Country Sampler and their 2024 spring issue. You pick that up on page 109. Hold on. On page 109 is my kitchen scale. So I thank them for including my picture in this issue with so many of my Instagram friends are also in there. So be sure to check it out and be sure to pick you up your copy, and you're going to love this issue. All right, for right now, I'm going to leave that. My pillows definitely need they definitely need some help. They're so lopsided. But anyway, basic idea is put my mustard back out. I do have some more pillows upstairs I'm going to go get in a few minutes. But for right now, let's move over here because I have this, I have these small leftover pieces of that stuff. So I'm going to use them, see if I can get them to go in here and actually be able to be seen. Let's see. You know, I like these, but the little green things on them fall off so easy. It's like, it's not enough and it's leaning too much to, so let's see if we can fix it or if it's a no-go. See, now they're falling off again. Stop falling off. Okay, a little bit of trial and error, but I think I'm going to leave this for right now. Like I said, I may have a little bit more of this upstairs in my craft room because I think it needs a little bit more of something. But for right now, it looks okay. Oh, and this clock is what my mom got me for, what my mom got me for Christmas this year. So I'm loving that. And then these two crocks I've had forever. Now this little crock here I had in the dining room, and I moved that in yesterday. And then I just put one of my spring wreaths right here, but oh my goodness, I'm kicking this thing everywhere. I may be taking that down. It's just not laying right. Look how it's like real full on one side. And I don't remember if that's what it's supposed to look like. It's real thin on the other side. So I really love that wreath, but it's just not, I don't know. We'll have to see. So that's what I've got so far there. Let's put a little bit of greenery there. And let's come over here. I'm going to put a little bit on this end table too. So let's see. That looks nice. Adds in just a little bit more floral to help soften it. And yes, I like fake florals. You will always find them in my house. All right, so I didn't have any more of that green, but I did add in some of this that had a little bit of like a mustard yellow and white. So what do you think? Does that look okay with it? I kind of think it does. I'm gonna live with it for a little bit and see. But the way that this video is going, you know how it's like one space and then another space. That's how I decorate. Yeah, I jump all over the place all the time. I don't just work in one area. I have to, like, I'm in this part of the living room, I'm in this part of the living room, and then I'm in this part. You know what I mean? I can't do it all just standing in one spot. That's just not how my mind works. Okay, let's do one final look around the living room, and then we will move on from this space for right now. One thing I do need to get are some pillows. I think I need some, and a mustard throw. I need some more mustard pillows and another mustard throw. But like I said, this is like what I would consider everyday decor. Probably more springy, but still not my spring decor. I just consider it every day. going to be wrapping up this video, but before I did, I just wanted to give a quick look into the foyer now that all the Christmas is down. So I recently bought myself this. It's an old measure. It's the one and only one that I have, so I'll definitely be looking for more of those. And I left my winter picture up for now, and then just some stacked baskets. And Desi's getting ready to ring the bell. Anytime I turn my phone on to record, he rings the bell. He cannot stand for my attention to be anywhere but on him. So, and then I got this straw hat from my cousin. She sent that to me, so thank you, Paula. Well, that's it. I thank you so much for watching today, and I will hopefully be back soon with something new. And there he is. Did you hear him ring the bell? He is so spoiled. So anyway, I thank you all for watching today, and I will see you soon.